beach. You never know what's going on out there. It's like cold, warm, sun, snow. Just be prepared for anything. But we do have all this fresh snow and more snow on the way. So definitely get out there, hit the slopes, and enjoy your day. Also, before, after, or during your day out on the slopes, you can stop over by Blue Lotus Yoga Studios right here on Main Street. Maybe you can take one of Carol's classes. She has a really cool classes that she's going to tell us about. Carol, tell us about your classes.
So again, trying to explain these wonderful classes. Well, we're a thing now, so that's good. We're a thing. Classes are full, but I'd love to see them packed. We're really working hard on bringing even more girls in there, and classes are doing so good right now. Booty yoga. It's a combination of dance and traditional yoga. I think we use lots of feminine movements. It's mostly girls in the class. I'll let a couple guys in if they think they're tough enough, though. For sure. We have a workshop coming up. It's April 8th at 7:15 p.m. It's a Friday afternoon. I'm really hoping to get a lot of girls in there because I'm going to go over the history of booty yoga. I don't want anybody to get displaced with it not being a traditional practice. There is an absolute spiritual side to this practice, and it's really meant to bring out that inner feminine. It's to get you out of your work pants, and some of us are jungle gyms with our kids or geared up, covered in snow gear on the mountain. It's to tap into the feminine side a little bit. It's not good to lose touch with that. We want to keep it.
Yeah, and Mary from TV. Mary's always behind the scenes. I feel like we need to have Mary, like, you guys keep hearing me talk about this Mary behind the camera. Mary and I went to Booty. It was so much fun. We were laughing. It's like, it's just a time to just have fun. And I was telling you yesterday, I was like, I felt like I was being disruptive. You're like, no, it's a time to have fun. You can laugh. I can't help myself. It's so much fun. So we're mentioning that you're going to have a workshop. You're going to get into the history of Booty. Tell us a little bit more about what Booty is. I don't want to spoil what you're going to tell us about at the workshop, but just so people know, you said it's a combination of dance and just a little more detail.
Right. So it's a lot less serious than a traditional yoga class, and I feel like some people get displaced and they think without that seriousness you can't have that traditional,
Right.
heart-opening feeling. We do laugh. We do have a lot of fun in there, but really the foundation of Booty is women breaking down competition between women, and instead filling ourselves up so much that we're able to help shine brightly enough to help others see their way out of the dark. And that's really how it is. Women have been in competition for way too long. It's time to start loving each other and recognizing a personal journey. We don't all have the same journey to health and fitness. And fortunately with Booty, the physical part of it is you're having so much fun. By the time you realize you're working out, you have six-pack abs.
Yep. It's really fun. You definitely need to check out the Booty class. What time? So you already mentioned the workshop. You also have 2 classes a week.
I do. It's Tuesdays at 10:30. Come check them out. I always arrive a half hour early and stay a half hour late to answer questions. Also Thursdays at 3. So now that we're becoming a thing, more and more special events will be popping up. So I hope to see lots of people.
Yeah, and then you're also going to be leading another workshop as well.
I am. There's a yoga nidra, which is almost the exact opposite as booty yoga. Booty's great for moms too, who are trying to get their bodies back in shape, just for the record. There's hardworking moms out there. Yoga Nidra is a full meditation class. And it's a 45-minute meditation. We're going to be relaxing, and I'm going to go through a journey around your body.
Cool. So when is that one? When he's back there. That's her son. He's
That's
super
my
cute.
son, and that's how we get our bodies back after having babies.
So if somebody wants to find out more information about both of these different workshops or more information about the classes at Blue Lotus, how can they find out more?
You can go to the Blue Lotus website. You can even personally Facebook page me. I'm Colorado Carol. I'll answer any questions you have and help you feel more comfortable about coming into class. Remember, it's a judgment-free zone no matter what I do, so you can always feel comfortable about trying new things.
And you're allowed to laugh. Trust me, and it's so much fun. So definitely we want to check out the Booty yoga classes and Yoga Nidra too, which is apparently the opposite, which is also really great for relaxation. It's just another great type of yoga. So we are going to thank you, Carol.
Thank you so much.
We're going to take a short break, but don't go anywhere. We still have Watch and Win coming up, $25 to Modus, so that's coming up a little bit later. We also have Slifer Smith and Frampton in the house, so they'll be up a little bit after the break as well, but we'll be right back.